In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a weather wheel. I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club. This is Teaching Tool Thursday. And so to make your weather wheel, you're going to just need some fasteners, scissors, an actual weather wheel, which you can find in the description box below. And you're going to need cardboard. You're going to also need glue, a hole punch, and an arrow you can draw or you can print one. And then you're going to need your marker to color in your arrow. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss another tool again. You're going to cut out your wheel, nice and easy with your scissors. Then you're going to get your glue and apply it. I apply mine with a paintbrush, but you definitely don't have to do that with yours. I just wanted to smooth out any lumps that may come with the glue. You can probably use a glue stick and that will work just fine as well. Next, you are going to just make sure those corners are smooth, and then you're going to get ready to cut out your wheel using the scissors and the cardboard. Once that is all cut out, you're going to go ahead and get your arrow, and you're going to also get ready to cut, but you're going to apply some glue on the arrow and stick it to the cardboard. And then you're going to cut it out with your scissors. Once it's cut out, you're going to use a marker and color in your arrow, or you can keep it the color it is, but I'm not that very good at cutting, so I needed to color mine in. So just go ahead and color that in. After you have it all colored in, you're going to get your, make sure that all the edges are clear, so it looks a little bit more presentable. So just get your scissors and do that. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and get your hole punch, and you're going to simply hole punch the bottom of the arrow. Once, make sure that the cardboard is all out, then you're going to get your fastener. And these fasteners you can find at your local Walmart, or you can check the description box below and give you a fastener. You're going to push the fastener through the hole. Once it's through the hole, you're also going to push it into the circle. You'll notice that my wheel had a little bit of a hole already in there. That was because I was testing it out before this video. But yep, and then you're just going to gently push it all the way through. Now you'll notice that, once you have pushed it through, you're going to pull push the flaps back onto the cardboard. So just make sure that they're nice and flat on that cardboard. You might have to use your nail to get it all smoothed out. And if you notice that your arrow is a little too loose, that just means you need to make sure that it's tight and behind the wheel. So you're going to squeeze those fasteners back, and then that should help. So when your children are exploring, it will stay on the weather choice that they choose. Well, that is how you make your weather wheel. Question of the day, let me know the age that you teach and what are you going to be using your weather wheel for? Are you doing a weather unit? Are you reading a weather story? If you need a weather book, I have a book that you can check out right here on this channel. Feel free to look above, but that is all I have for you today. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and I would love to chat with you in the chat. Bye.